that we made a small video for you in which the people whom you love and who loves you back have something to speak about you. We all hope you like it. Happy birthday, Daddy. Thank you.
Thank you, God, for giving me an incredible son like you. I'm proud of you, Chintan. Happy birthday. Wish you many, many happy returns of the day. God bless you, beta.
Happy
Happy
birthday
birthday
to
to
you. Happy birthday, Chintan. God bless you.
love you, bhai. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Chintan Bhai, Ashita.
May God fulfill all your dreams. Happy birthday, Chintan Bhai.
जय श्री कृष्ण चिंतन भाई। बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये हमारी है आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू चिंतन भाई, हैप्पी बर्थडे। You are always helpful to needy people without any hopes. God will always be with you and always do good work. God bless you.
वाढदिवसाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. You have been a great brother-in-law. God bless you always.
Chintan Bhai, many happy returns of the day. Just wanted to say you are the best thing that happened to my sister and to be part of our family. Wishing your party. Bye. God bless you.
Hi Chintan, wish you many happy returns of the day. Just want to tell you that you are a gem of a person, always ready to help everyone. May God bless you and you have a great year ahead.
Hi Chintan, many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday. अभी एक बात बोलना था मुझे तेरे को बहुत टाइम से, पर बोल नहीं रहा था। बात बहुत सीरियस है और सुन के हंसना मत, क्योंकि बात सीरियस है। और जो भी हंसा उसको मुझे पार्टी देना पड़ेगा, ठीक है? सुन अभी ध्यान से। बार बार ये दिल आए, बार बार ये दिन आए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू चिंतन, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू चिंतन, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू चिंतन, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। एंजॉय।
हरिओम फनी फैमिली, हरिओम चिंतन। चिंटू से कब चिंतन मिल गया पता ही नहीं चला। जन्मदिन की खूब खूब शुभकामनाएं। चंद रिश्ते मेरी उम्र भर की पूंजी के साथ, उसमें शामिल है आपका भी नाम। आपके स्वभाव के बारे में तो मैं क्या गुणगान गाऊं, मगर सबके हृदय में आपकी छवि खूब प्रेम से बैठी हुई है और सब मिलने के लिए उतावले हो रहे हैं। यही शुभकामना कि आप जल्दी जल्दी खूब प्रगति करें, खुश रहे, खुश रहे, खुश रहे।
खुशियों से भरी हो जिंदगी,
मुस्कुराहट से भरा हो हर पल,
ये जिंदगी कम न पड़ जाए,
इतनी खुशियाँ दे आपको आने वाला कल। हैप्पी बर्थडे चिंतन, गॉड ब्लेस यू।
Hello Chintan, you shine every day in every way which brings immense happiness in our life. God bless you beta. Lots of love from Masi. Wish you happy birthday. Hi Chintan. You are always on your toes and ready to help everyone whenever they need. Happy birthday, dear.
Hey Chintan, birthday never makes us older. They only makes us wise and mature. Happy birthday. Have a great day.
हाय खुदा से ये दुआ है हमारी उम्र लग जाए आपको हमारी
सदा खुश रहो तुम, ये दुआ है हमारी।
थाईलैंड कोलंबो यूएसए से दुआ बरसती रहे ये भी दुआ है हमारी विश यू मैनी मैनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे वी लव यू गॉड ब्लेस यू पार्टी हार्ड इन योर क्वारंटाइन
Hi Chintan, happy birthday to you. Many happy returns of the day. Party ક્યાં છે જોરદાર.
Happy birthday. God bless you. We hope to see you soon in India. Enjoy your day.
Hey Chintan, first I just wanted to share a quote by Mother Teresa. It goes, "Be the reason someone believes in the goodness of people." Of course, happy birthday. Hope you have a great year ahead. Hope you find this video well, and cheers brother. Take care.
Many happy returns of the day, Chintan bhai. God bless you.
Many happy returns of the day, Chintan bhai. God bless you.
Few lines for you.
Successful people are not gifted.
They just work hard and succeed on purpose.
Happy birthday, Chintan bhai.
Happy birthday, Chintan bhai.
Happy birthday, Chintan bhai. God bless you.
સદાબહાર સદગુણી પ્રેમાળ ઉદાર દિલ
વાત્સલ્ય મૂર્તિ સેવાભાવી ધાર્મિક અને વાલનો વરસાદ વરસાવનાર
ચિંતન અંજારિયા
ચિંતનભાઈ હરિઓમ આજના શુભ દિવસે ભગવાનને પ્રાર્થના કરીશ કે તમને સુખ સમૃદ્ધિ અને શાંતિ આપે તમારા પરિવારને સ્વાસ્થ્ય આપે એ જ અમારી શુભકામના હું મારા પરિવાર તરફથી આપને કહું છું
Happy birthday चिंतन
हरिओम चिंतन जन्मदिवस की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं भगवान आपका करना है आप जिंदगी के अंदर मानव उत्थान के अच्छे कर्म करें
गणपति बापा ने जिसे आसमानी सफलता दी है फिर भी जिसके पैर जमी पर है ऐसे चिंतन को जन्मदिन मुबारक
One who always believes in chasing in dreams and not as competition, may God always bless you with lot of happiness and prosperity and always be grounded. God bless you Chintan bhai, happiest birthday.
Hello, yeah. Mama said we in the church, you best believe this ain't no hotel. Rocking your halo like a snapback cause you hang with ghetto angels. She told me they won't catch you when you fall, you know this thing gon' end well. Girl, somebody shot the sheriff, if it's you I ain't gon' pay bail. She says, good morning, wake up, wake. Good morning, wake up, wake. Good morning, wake up, wake. Wake up, wake. Wake up and get yourself to church, yeah. Wake up and get yourself to church, yeah. Wake up, wish I could hear you right now. Somebody come and tell this lady cool down. Wake up and get yourself to church, yeah. Papa said to be a man, best keep your word until the final days. Said if you sign up, you'll be covered. See, my church don't take no holidays. He said I'll calm my anger in the storm until your tears leave away. Don't walk these streets looking for beef, cause I was in oven with a cold flame. She says, good morning, wake up, wake. Good morning, wake up, wake. Good morning, wake up, wake. Wake up, wake. Wake up and get yourself to church, yeah. Wake up and get yourself to church, yeah. Wake up, wish I could hear you right now.
they had your back when you was down. Don't forget, hello, wait, Holy Ghost, bullet ricochet. Took some time to pray when I'm in the streets today. Make the devil stay away. Ain't got a fake, but you're blocking all your blessings when you're lying about your age. I can feel the spirit moving when I'm lighting up the stage. You listening when you pray, it just depends on your taste. She said, tell me where you running when that kitty ain't as warm as it was. I don't care who you praying to, I just pray you believe and you see what you see. Cause underneath that kingdom come and make them scream, amen. From the congregation, I need a straight tag for my Jesus. And when they ask me where I'm headed, hell or heaven, seatbelts fasten. Straight to Mars, look at God.
She says, good morning, wake up, wake. Good morning, wake up, wake.
She says, good morning, wake up, wake, wake up.
Hey Chandan bhai, just wanted to say thank you for being the role model and the benchmark that you have been for all of us, giving us all so much to look up to, both personally and professionally. Here's wishing you a very happy birthday. I know you'll have a great one, and also hoping we could drink a pint together soon. Obviously Corona, but the good one.
There are many words to describe you as a person: a huge-hearted,
kind,
humble, and when it comes to party, you are a beast. Many happy returns of the day.
Happy birthday, Chintan.
Wishing you a very happy birthday, Chintan bhai. Party hard.
Happy birthday, Chintan bhai. Enjoy your day. May God bless you.
Many happy returns of the day, Chintan bhai. Have a great day. Enjoy your birthday in lockdown.
Have a great year ahead. God bless you and hope to see you soon. Bye.
Happy birthday, Chintan.
तुमच्या जन्मदिवसची खूप खूप शुभेच्छा. चिंतन मराठी ट्राय करी છે. હેપી બર્થડે.
Hi Chintan, how are you doing? Hope doing great. Many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday. Have a great year ahead. Healthy, stay fit, be blessed. Bye.
હેપી બર્થડે ચિંતન માતા. મે ઓલ યોર ડ્રીમ્સ કમ ટ્રુ. અને મારો લાયસન્સ આવી જશે પછી હું તમારી બાઇક લઈ જઈશ. આપતા નહીં.
Happy birthday, Masa!
किसी के हाथ में हीरा, किसी के कान में हीरा, किसी के हाथ में हीरा, किसी के कान में हीरा। मुझे हीरे से मतलब क्या, मेरा तो यार है हीरा। यारों ने मेरे वास्ते क्या कुछ नहीं किया, यारों ने मेरे वास्ते क्या कुछ नहीं किया। 100 बार शुक्रिया, 100 बार शुक्रिया, 100 बार शुक्रिया, बिलियन बार शुक्रिया। तुम जैसे चूतियों का सहारा है दोस्तों, तुम जैसे चूतियों का सहारा है दोस्तों। ये दिल तुम्हारे प्यार का मारा है दोस्तों, ये दिल तुम्हारे प्यार का मारा है दोस्तों। एहसान मेरे दिल पे तुम्हारा है दोस्तों, एहसान मेरे दिल पे तुम्हारा है दोस्तों। ये दिल तुम्हारे प्यार का मारा है दोस्तों, ये दिल तुम्हारे प्यार का मारा है दोस्तों। बनता है मेरा काम तुम्हारे ही काम से, बनता है मेरा काम तुम्हारे ही काम से। होता है मेरा नाम तुम्हारे ही नाम से, होता है मेरा नाम तुम्हारे ही नाम से। तुम जैसे बेवड़ों का सहारा है दोस्तों, तुम जैसे बेवड़ों का सहारा है दोस्तों। ये दिल तुम्हारे प्यार का मारा है दोस्तों, ये दिल तुम्हारे प्यार का मारा है दोस्तों। तुम बिन ऐसे मैं जल बिन मछली, तुम बिन ऐसे मैं जल बिन मछली। जान मेरी शान हो यार तुम नकली, जान मेरी शान हो यार तुम नकली। साथ मेरे चलते हो आसमान की तरह, साथ मेरे चलते हो आसमान की तरह। दिल में मुझको रखते हो जान की तरह, दिल में मुझको रखते हो जान की तरह। तुम जैसे अमलियों का सहारा है दोस्तों, तुम जैसे ठरकियों का सहारा है दोस्तों। ये दिल तुम्हारे प्यार का मारा है दोस्तों, ये दिल तुम्हारे प्यार का मारा है दोस्तों। एहसान मेरे दिल पे तुम्हारा है दोस्तों, एहसान मेरे दिल पे तुम्हारा है दोस्तों। ये दिल तुम्हारे प्यार का मारा है दोस्तों, ये दिल तुम्हारे प्यार का मारा है दोस्तों। ये दिल तुम्हारे प्यार का मारा है दोस्तों, ये दिल तुम्हारे प्यार का मारा है दोस्तों।
हेलो चिंतन, कैसा है भाई? वैसे तो तेरे साथ बहुत सारे मेमोरीज हैं मेरे, बहुत सारे। तेरा श्रीनगर गए, तेरा किशननगर गए, तुझे लाइफस्टाइल पे देखा था जब तू वर्क करता था। बहुत सारा है, गोरा क्लासेस, NCC कॉलेज एंड बहुत सारे। याद है फर्स्ट टाइम तूने एंटाइजर बाइक लिया था और तूने उसको पानी में डाल दिया था, आधे से ज़्यादा पानी में। मैंने बोला था यार क्या कर रहा है, तो बोलता है कोई बात नहीं, कुछ नहीं चलता है मतलब। और एक मेमोरीज था जब मैं तो जो है NCC कॉलेज में बैठे थे, सॉरी योगी हिल में बैठे थे। एक वोडका का हमने एकदम बड़ा बॉटल लिया था। मैंने बोला था यार इतना ज़्यादा कौन पिएगा, 3 ही लोग हैं। और यू सेड के यार इससे तो हमारा दांत भी गीला नहीं होता, कुछ नहीं होता चल। और 1 घंटे बाद भाई तूने उल्टी की, तुझे कंधे पे बिठा के घर छोड़ना पड़ा था। ये हालत हो गई। सब याद आता है। गुड, चल, विश यू वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे, स्टे सेफ, गॉड ब्लेस, बी हेल्दी, टेक केयर, बाय।
Wish you many happy returns of the day, bro. All wishes do come true, and you have a blast in your birthday. And I pray to God that you get the best in life. We miss your dance, Apri Poda. Nobody can dance as you dance. And heaps of love. Enjoy your birthday, bro. Cheers. Happy quarantine.
Many happy returns of the day, Chintan. Have a good one.
Wish you a happy birthday, bro. You have always been a role model to everyone. Happy to have you in our lives. Lots of love from Janu.
Hello, you are the most friendly, motivational and kind person I ever met, Chintan. Wish you very happy birthday, bro. Stay blessed.
Hey Chintan, hi Kathy. Happy birthday Chintan. Keep rocking as always. Hope to see you guys soon. Take care, stay safe.
Hey Chintan, happy birthday and have a great year ahead, man. Hope you, Shania and Kathy are doing well. See you guys soon. Take care and have fun.
Hi Chintan, Nikhil here. Many happy returns of the day. Hope you are having a good one. I know this is going to be a memorable birthday for you, albeit for the wrong reasons, but hopefully all of this will be over very soon and we all will be out partying. Keep the TikTok videos coming in. They are a lot of fun, but please avoid the cooking ones because we don't cook as much and that puts a lot of pressure on us. You know what I mean? You have a great year and hope to see you soon. God bless.
Hey Chintan, happy birthday bro. You have an amazing heart. Please be safe and have a blast.
Here's wishing a very, very, very happy birthday to one of the most good-hearted people that I know, most fun-loving and full of life. I can go on and on about you, Chintan, but just to cut short this video, I'd like to convey that you were always family, you are family, you will always be family, and that you've been a very special part of my teenage and adolescent age, and I will always cherish those days that we all have spent together. One of my favorite ones being Shilpa, Khyati bhai, ankuro kar do aane. I'm so sorry. But anyways, God bless you. Wish you all the happiness and all the success. Love you.
Hey brother, wish you a very happy birthday. I understand this quarantine days and having this quarantine birthday sucks, but nevertheless, we should party once everything is back to normal. Until then, cheers brother.
Cheers.
Hi Chintan, wish you a very happy birthday. Okay, one thing that I admire the most about you is that you're a very hardworking guy, be it work, workout or cooking these days. So keep up the good work, stay blessed and wish you a very happy birthday once again.
Hey Chintan, happy birthday.
Hi Chintan, wish you a very, very happy birthday, brother. May God bless you with loads and loads of happiness and good health. Hope to see you, Khyati and Shnaya really soon. Till then, all of you stay safe. Once again, wish you a very, very happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Chintan uncle. May you have a great birthday, just as great you are.
Hi Chintan, happy birthday. You are a very caring person. Ever met you. Have a wonderful day.
Hi Chintan, how are you? You are a very kind person, passionate and lively friend. Keep doing the great thing and inspiring everybody. See you soon. Bye. Enjoy.
Hi, Chintan uncle. Wish you a very happy birthday.
Hi Chintan, I'm sure ये birthday तुझे हमेशा याद रहेगा. Happy quarantine birthday to you.
Hi Chintan, wish you a very happy true tramp trunk birthday. True tramp trunk birthday.
Hi, Chintan uncle. Happy birthday. Have a safe birthday at home. After lockdown, have as many trips as you can.
Hi, happy birthday, number one adventurer, party free, travel free, party hard, and have a good birthday.
Hi, friend ambassador of Phuket. Wish you a very, very happy birthday.
Happy birthday,
Chintan. Cheers.
Happy
birthday.
Chintan bhai.
कौन है बता नहीं.
जो यूएस से फुकेट तक,
जो टिकटॉक से अपने किचन तक.
अच्छा वो था. मेरे को लगा था कि फनी वाला चिंतन अंकल.
हाँ वही फनी वाला चिंतन अंकल का बर्थडे है. आओ उनको विश करते हैं.
We wish you a very, very happy birthday,
चिंतन.
Happy birthday, Chintan.
Happy birthday, Chintan uncle.
Hi Chintan, you are the most lively person I have ever met. Stay lively always. Happy birthday and wish you many more such years of happiness. Bye.
Hi Chintan, wish you many, many happy returns of the day. I just have one thing to say. What happens in Phuket stays in Phuket. And wish we celebrate your next birthday in Phuket.
With family.
No. Bye, take care.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Chintan uncle.
Happy birthday to you.
May your all dreams come true. Happiest birthday.
Thank you.
Wish you a very very happy quarantine birthday.
Wish you a very happy birthday, bro. Cheers. Enjoy your day. Take
Enjoy
care.
your day. Cheers.
Bye.
Hi Chintan, wish you many happy returns of the day. May God bless you always. Enjoy your life.
Happy birthday! May your day feel full of happiness and you're full of joy, Chintan.
Hi Chintan. Every year we celebrate your birthday with Corona in hand, and this year is no different. But we have Corona in the air. So stay home, stay safe.
Wish you a very happy quarantine birthday, Chintan.
Happy birthday, Chintan uncle.
Happy birthday.
Hi Chintan, wish you a very very happy birthday, or should I say a lockdown or quarantine birthday. Enjoy the most of it, make the most of it, and I sure know that you will be enjoying to the fullest. And this one day, no cooking, no washing utensils, and just relax, just order देना आज कुछ भी काम मत करना, सब काम ख्याति को करने देना. And may God bless you with more and more health, wealth and prosperity. And I'm waiting for the cake. अभी नहीं तो लॉकडाउन के बाद केक तो चाहिए ही, लिख के ले. Happy birthday. Bye bye.
Hi Chintan, wish you a very happy birthday.
Hi Chintan, wish you a very happy birthday. भाई रोज नया नया एक्सक्लूसिव डिशेस बना के पोस्ट करता है इंस्टाग्राम पे. हम लोग के घर पे भी भेजा कर.
और पार्टी भी सॉलिड चालू है अभी लॉकडाउन में. Enjoy your birthday.
Bye. Wish you again a very
पार्टी
happy
बाकी
birthday.
है लेकिन बर्थडे का लॉकडाउन के बाद.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Chintan uncle.
Happy birthday, Chintan.
Happy birthday Chintan
Have a great lockdown birthday.
and a great year ahead.
Yes, sir. Happy birthday, Chintan. Wish you a happy birthday and a healthy birthday. This goes for a wonderful person with always a smile on his face. Have a great year ahead. Cheers.
Happy birthday, Chintan. Enjoy your day. Stay at home. Stay safe. Okay, bye. See you.
Hi Chintan. More than a boss, you have been a great friend. Thank you for all your support. You have always been there for me. You're a great human being and just be the way you are. You're perfect. Wishing you a very happy birthday. May all your dreams come true. And we're gonna party soon once this quarantine is over. God bless you.
Hi Chintan, happy birthday. You are the best entrepreneur and a great leader someone could ever have. You've always been supportive and helped me in all the ways you can, and thank you very much for that. And you are the world's best and a coolest and a handsome boss to work with. Wish you many happy returns of the day, and God bless you with lots of love, happiness and prosperity. Thank you. You have a great day. Enjoy your day, Chintan. Happy birthday. Wish you many happy returns of the day from one superstar to another superstar. Yay!
अभी बोल दे.
Hi Chintan mama, happy birthday.
Hello Chintan sir. Wish you many happy returns of the day.
विश मेनी हैप्पी रिटर्न ऑफ द डे चिंतन सर. आप बहुत अच्छे इंसान हैं. मेरे पूरे परिवार की तरफ से आपको जन्मदिन की बधाई.
हेलो चिंतन सर, वाढदिवसाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा.
Hi, today is your day, but I also have a reason to celebrate. Even though I don't need a special occasion like this to realize that I couldn't imagine my life without you in it. This is the day I simply have to tell you how much you mean to me. I think about all our memories, all the milestones and obstacles we defeated together, all the happy and sad moments we've gone through side by side, and all the fun we've had throughout the years. I remember the day I met you, and that day my life changed for the better. They say that everyone enters our lives for a reason, and since I met you I realized that this is nothing but the truth, because fate had to have a reason to send it to me when I needed it the most. From day one, you acted like my big brother, although I am elder to you, and I had no choice but to let you in. You took care of me and you pushed me forward. Before I knew it, you became my biggest source of inspiration and the only person who believed in me, even in the situations when everyone else was ready to give up. But at the same time, you were the only one who was always honest with me and the only one who made sure I faced the truth, no matter how harsh it was, the only one who pointed out my mistakes to me and the only one who never hesitated to give me positive criticism. Nevertheless, you never allowed anyone to talk trash me or to diminish me in any way, and that was when I saw that you thought of me as yours. When I realized how much you love me, that was when it dawned on me how blessed I've always been for having you. From the very first day, I felt like you were this guardian angel God sent to me, and nothing has changed even now, more than a decade later. The truth is that you are my soulmate, my partner in crime, and my other half. Sorry, Kathy. You are the only person in this world who gets me, the person whose opinions I value the most, and the one who can always brighten up my day, no matter how crappy it is. You're the one who loves me at my worst and who gives me the strength I need when I'm at my weakest. You've been the only one who's always stood by me through thick and thin, through good and bad days. The only one who's been giving me his endless support from the outset, and the only one who has never abandoned me. Calling you my best friend would be an understatement because to me you are so much more. I can't help but wonder what I've done to deserve an amazing friend like you. I would never be the person I am today if it wasn't for you. And that is the biggest blessing and something I am eternally grateful for. On this special day, I feel this gratitude the most because this is the day life sent me the best gift ever. The day we celebrate you and your existence. You deserve the world, but I wish you nothing less than loads of happiness, love and health. And most of all, I wish you to always remain the perfect person you are today. Here is another year of joy, laughter, new memories and pure happiness. Here is another year of you being you. Happy birthday.
You know what that means? Hello. So today I'm doing it very excitedly because today is my dad's birthday and I will play Happy Birthday on the piano for him. Let's start. That's one way. Second way. Thank you.
Hi. Now this is the best could have done for your lockdown birthday. I hope you liked all the videos. And yeah, I hope your last year complaints have been resolved now. Wish you many more solo trips throughout the year. No. Sorry, Shana is saying no, you can't go. Leaving us. Sorry. And yeah, I have to admit one more thing. हाथ में दिया लेके जाती तो we couldn't have found a better husband than you. Love you loads. Happy birthday.